Right then guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this gorgeous brand new Toyota Supra in for the ultimate level of protection. Xpel Ultimate Fusion, full car PPF. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Right then, so now you've seen what this GR Toyota Supra looks like, let's go ahead and decontaminate the vehicle outside the studio. We recently purchased this Kranzel K10 pressure washer from the team at ECA Cleaning, and we've been really impressed so far. As you can see, we also went for the chemical injector, which helps us use our snow foam more effectively and means we no longer have to use a foam lance. They currently have our old Kranzel, which they will be refurbishing, and we will be heading over to their office in the next few weeks to film the whole process, so stay tuned for that. When getting a vehicle ready for paint protection film, you really need to make sure there is nothing on the paintwork at all, else it will show up underneath the film. This is also why we go around the entire car brushing the edges to ensure no dirt or grime will seep out when applying the PPF. When we're decontaminating a vehicle outside the studio, we will be using products from our NLD car care range. We usually use our citrus APC, a snow foam, our wash shampoo, and then our iron fallout remover. You may have seen we also clean the vehicle whilst it's outside, and then just to be sure, we will go over the panel again when it's pulled inside. If you do need any detailing products, head over to nldcc.co.uk now. We have some exclusive discounts coming this Halloween, so don't miss out. Right, so that's the Supra now cleaned outside the studio and pulled inside the PPF bay. As you can see, it's looking nice and clean. Next up, we need to go ahead and start applying the PPF, so let's go ahead and get that done. So if you didn't know, Xpel is the UK's most recognised paint protection film company and have been developing their products for many years. This car is having the majority of the car covered with their new Ultimate Fusion film, which is pre-ceramic coated, giving you those lovely hydrophobic properties whilst protecting your paintwork from scratches and stone chips. On the satin areas of the car, like the side skirts and front and rear splitters, we will be protecting these with Xpel Stealth film, which will keep the factory satin finish well protected. Now the entire car has been protected with Xpel paint protection film and is looking incredible. Let's go ahead and coat the wheels with Summit Pro wheel and caliper. With the wheels coated and the glass coated off camera, let's put the wheels back on the car and then hand it over to the customer. So then, as you've just seen, that's the Supra now complete at the studio after having the majority of the car protected with Xpel Ultimate Fusion. On the satin areas of the cars, they were protected with Xpel Stealth, as well as the full car being protected with paint protection film. The glass was coated with Summit Pro glass, and then the wheels were also protected with Summit Pro wheel and caliper. If you did enjoy this week's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.